Hey guys, welcome back to the Conaway, and today I am going to be doing a little bit of a different type of video, and this video is all about my new room situation. I got a new bed, got rid of my old bunk bed, which gave me some extra space on my wall, to put up a new whiteboard and some decorative pieces, so stay tuned for that. So as you guys saw in the previous intro clip, the first thing we did was remove the bunk bed and we sold it on Craigslist. And then the next thing was to vacuum the space where the bunk bed once was. So the next thing to do was actually get the bed. So we got this bed at Mattress Firm. It is a queen size with an adjustable frame that I will show in a minute. But unfortunately I couldn't film it being put in because we had to social distance away from the workers who brought it up. But here is my mom and I making it for the first time and setting up how we wanted it to look. After the bed was all set up, the next thing to do was to add a new mirror because the old one in my closet was a little too small and not very good, and we had this extra one lying around, so you can see my dad installing it here. The next thing to do was to remove these metal holders from the wall that were holding up my bulletin board that isn't going there anymore. This is where we started installing and setting up my new calendar whiteboard, which I was very excited for because I hoped this would keep me much more organized. So you can see my dad installing it on the wall here with a little bit of my help. Just a few days ago, I came up with a new system that uses both my normal whiteboard and my calendar to keep me organized after doing some research. So stay tuned for a video on how I organize myself using these two whiteboards. And finally, the last thing to do was to put up the painting of the Brooklyn Bridge that my mom and I picked out. And here is the final reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.